I would love to thank you for interacting with my posts, and I would start with education as it was the topic with the highest polls. So in education or any other topic, I'll give you like what are the main important things in prompt engineering. The prompt engineering, you need to set the role of the uh, persona, and then the task, the requirement, and the instructions. So let's go over them quickly. So what would be the role of the ChatGPT or any other large language model? What I'm saying here, you are a subject matter expert in education or training. So this is the role. Second, what is the task? I wanted to create my exam content for topics that I will give you. Third, I want 3 open-ended questions and 5 multiple choice questions, study material to be able to solve these questions. So what I ask for is the 3 things as requirement. First is the open-ended, multiple choice, and the study material. And what is the special instruction? That is the most important thing here, is like keep providing the same for topics that I will mention until I say stop. So I want you to keep this tab open. So every time you want to create exam material and help students study for that, you can go back to it. Then it will ask me for the topic. I said derivatives for sophomore industrial engineering. And here what I got the description, study material, exam open-ended questions, 3 open-ended questions, and then the multiple choice questions. Now, so it was very sophisticated topic. Now, what I will say, another topic is like addition of 2 digits for grade 1. And then what I'm getting is the same content in the same format, no matter how the complexity is. So please don't worry about the complexity of the subjects, but what you want to do right is to create the right prompt, which include the task, the requirement, the instructions, and most importantly, the role. So I need to say the role. You are an engineering expert. You are a education subject matter expert. And from that point, I can give the task that I want with the requirements and the special instructions. It's very simple. It's very simple like that. So here are the multiple choice questions. And let's say I created another prompt that talks about lesson plans. I know from many of my followers that responded to my questions and poll. I have like chemistry teachers, I have like languages, I have French teachers, so and I have grade 12 teachers. So let's say we want to create a lesson plan for them. So not every time when they have a topic, they can go back and they prepare a lesson plan for 2 hours. Or let's think that this is at least the draft lesson plan and they can fix it and update it later on. So what is our prompt here? Our prompt is very simple. First, the persona, which is the role. What is your role? You are a subject matter expert in education and training, period. So this is the role. Second, task. I want you to create my lesson plan. This is the task, clear. 3, when I give you a topic, please provide description, learning outcome, practical classroom activities, study material, and 10 multiple choice questions. So this is the requirement. Instructions. Keep providing the same for topics that I will mention until I say stop. So now, what is our reply? Understood. Please provide the first topic and I will get started on creating the lesson plan. So what I did, addition of 2 digits for grade 1. And here we go. Description, learning outcome, practical classroom activities, study material, multiple choice questions, and then it will be like saying waiting for your next topic. And then my next topic, I chose my next topic to be much more sophisticated than addition of two digits for grade 1, which is like derivatives for sophomore student in industrial engineering in calculus 2 class. And here we go. We have description, learning outcomes, practical classroom activities, graphical interpretation, group work, derivatives puzzle, real world problem. So hands-on activity, use a physical model like motion sensors to capture data of moving objects and then compute derivatives. We got study material and 10 multiple choice questions. Then I have also chemistry teachers. So for our chemistry teachers, what I would put like electrical chemical reaction. So give me an electrical chemical reaction if this is the topic. And then we got the learning outcome, practical classroom activities, multiple choice. I put like a radical equation because like I used to hate like to solve the square root, and this is the exam material. So let's go on for creating, for example, if I say French writing for Spanish speakers. So please remember that we need to be a little bit more specific. When we say or we mention a topic, we need to specify exactly for what grade, what year, and what is a little bit to have clarity on the topic, not to make it a little bit vague. So when I gave a vague question or vague topic, I got like answers, but they might not be what I want. So what I did, I like said French writing for Spanish speakers for 10 years old. And here we go. We got everything we want. And then it will be awaiting for my next topic. So let's say my next topic will be laparoscopic surgery for specialized medicine. Surgeon specialist. So the topic is now very complicated, but still for large language model, it doesn't matter. As long as it is in the database, it can create it in any format that we want. So I want you to use this, and please create couple of tabs. Let's say we create a tab for exam material, for classroom activities, for lesson plans, and every time you have a topic, just open your ChatGPT, go to the left to one of the previous tabs, and then you can edit. You can edit the tab, you put edit on the tab, and then you put it like lesson plan. I will make this one like the exam material. And every time I can come to ChatGPT, I can use it and I can create from it whatever I want. And here, because I stop it, I can say regenerate, and it will regenerate the question. Sometimes you will enter ChatGPT and it will be stuck and it will not be working. So keep trying until it works. I hope you enjoyed this for teachers. I will create other ones for professors, for researchers, for please, I will keep asking you, and let's keep this interaction going so we can grow together. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget, as usual, to like and subscribe, because we are growing, and I hope we will grow together and explore more tricks in large language model and artificial intelligence. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.